bust out this bitch and start making room. Just like Ludacris, you can get that whole your all, you still might lose a bitch. Can't be too fucked up about it, get a newer bitch. You know that this one got some bodies, get a newer switch, get a newer click. I run laps around these rapping niggas, this is trap me. I hear all that diss and I just want niggas to at me. Nigga keep talking about smoke, well if it's smoke, then they come match me. Nigga keep talking about smoke, well if it's smoke, then they come match me. Fuck your big dog and whoever, I blow red anxiety pressure. They say pressure, bust pipes, but I been keeping this shit together. I been keeping this shit moving, dig, nigga go grab a shelf. These niggas got some sauce, but I'm the one who drip it extra. Like my niggas love to tag dance, ain't nothing but some stealth. Two bitches look like Pac-Man, trying to eat this dick together. No one just getting hot as soon as I drop it, change the weather. You know all my hoes get by, you must have thought that you was special.